Having different cultures means having different ways of living and seeing life. But in reality, it's these differences that make life richer and more meaningful. In our short time on this earth, we meet people who challenge our belief, open our eyes to new perspective, and teach us that understanding others is what really connects us. These films reflects the journey, how embracing diverse culture helps us grow. Not just an individual, but a shared humanity. It reminding us that every moment of connection matters.
Hey, you're here! Thanks for picking me up. I'm so excited to visit you around. Hey, Kaya! Finally, you're here na! I'm not expecting this. You look good!
Thank you for picking me up. I'm so excited to visit you around.
Yes, I'm not expecting you. You look good too. Anyway, reminder, no porn. And maybe just some visit naughty, okay?
Okay, yes, I had research about it, but still, I still need your help because I don't want to miss everything.
That's good. No worries. I'll show you around the money. And I promise, you will love it. The food, the views, everything, okay? But I said first, the food are halal. But before that, let's go. Yes, let's go. Do you want to see with each other? That's how we create someone. It's part of our nature. Oh, really? That's amazing. Yes, you want to grab that?
Dahil pwede mo recommend lang. Isa sa mga best seller na sa Marawi, pinili naman. Itry na ba na rin yung pinakamas? Bakit? Hinagis yung bili sa lugar. Malalim.
I'm sorry. I don't really understand what you're saying.
Oh, sorry. Best dish is niya.
Oh, I get 40%. How much?
At 3 cents kasi nito lang. Ay, sorry ma'am. Nag-free po.
Here is my bag. Thank you.